basic braid. We are pleased to present to you our step-by-step instructional video for one of the simplest hairstyles, the basic braid. You can do a braid in many creative ways. Also, learning the basic braid lays an important foundation for most advanced braid styles, such as the French braid, the Dutch braid, side French braids, and many more. So, let's go! Start by dividing your hair into 3 strands. From left to right, we will call these strands 1, 2, and 3. Begin by crossing strand 1 to the right over strand 2. Now, cross strand 3 to the left over strand 1. Repeat by crossing the strand on the left over to the right, then crossing the right strand over to the left. Repeat by crossing the strand on the left over to the right, then crossing the right strand over to the left. Over right, over left, over right, over left. Fasten when you have braided down as far as you like. Now that you've learned how to braid, let's do what we call the high braid. You may choose to do this style wet or dry according to your preference. Comb your hair up as though you were going to do a ponytail. Divide your hair into 3 strands. See how the part is in the shape of a Y, with the bifurcation beginning at approximately the middle of the head. The middle strand usually has less hair than the side strands. Begin braiding using the same skill you just learned. The thing you want to remember for the high braid is to keep the beginning of your braid up high towards the upper part of your head rather than at the base of your neck. See how full the hair is at the base of the braid? You can gently pull and shape to make each side symmetrical. Look at how she is using the tail of her comb to pull out places that dip in. Then she smooths it out with the teeth of the comb. You may want to use hairspray to continue to smooth out those stray hairs and to make this style more secure. This is what the braid looks like when your part does not look like a Y. The sides are not symmetrical. Here's another variation. When you've finished the braid, pull it up and put it down through the top of the braid, then fasten. Be creative. Make some variations of your own. Now we will show how you can braid on your own hair. See how high she's holding the beginning of the braid? The same braiding technique applies whether you're doing it on yourself or someone else. Now go and practice. And get ready for more advanced hairstyles on our next video.